Christmas Eve program, and the organ arm broke down, and they couldn't get anybody to come fix it before they would have their service. So the minister of the church was really kind of upset. How are we gonna, do the songs that we practiced for everything, and because the organ wouldn't work. And he was at the church late at night, and it was snowing, and he was praying, which ministers do a lot of. And the Lord just kind of impressed him with the words to the song. It was a poem, and he just wrote it down. And then he picked his guitar up, and he started strumming on his guitar, and he wrote one of the most famous Christmas carols, Silent Night, Holy Night. And for their Christmas program, which was a few days away that evening, they learned the song, and they sang it for the first time. And from there, it just went all over the whole world. So sometimes when everything's going wrong, I tell myself, maybe it's going right. Because God works in sometimes our mistakes and things that aren't just working out right. And He just makes it beautiful. And this is where this song came from. Just out of a need and a dedication to God. Silent Night. 1, 2, 3.